I decided to have the gastric sleeve surgery because I spent about 20 years trying to diet various different kinds of diets, a keto diet, juice fasting, everything I tried. And so yeah, I was in India, and I thought the cost of medicine and hospitals in India are much more affordable than Western countries, and I thought why don't I give it a try. So I started searching online, and yeah, I found Dr. Garg, and I was very impressed with him, and he seemed very confident, and he knew what he was talking about. And yeah, so I decided to just go for it, and I didn't have to do the whole 6 months of waiting like you have to do in Western countries. You could just within 1 or 2 weeks they booked me in for the surgery, and yeah, I felt very confident and supported the whole way. And yeah, so I've had the surgery now, and it's been about 10 days since the surgery, and I started off at about 103 kilograms, and I did put on a bit of weight after the surgery, so it went up to about 104 kilograms when I left the hospital. But since then, in these last 10 days, I've lost around 8 kgs, so I've never lost that amount of weight in my life before. So I'm very excited to see what the next few months holds. And yeah, I just think it's been a great experience. I had a beautiful room at the hospital. It even had a living room area, and the nurses were very attentive. And yeah, I just had a great experience overall. So yeah, I highly recommend CODSILS and Dr. Garg, and it was a very happy experience for me. So yeah, the surgery was a lot of pain, more pain than I expected. But yeah, it was overall, I'm happy I did it. I don't regret anything. So just to go through that bit of pain to have these kind of results, I definitely think it's worth it. So I had a bad migraine after the surgery, so yeah, the first 2 days I wasn't really able to move around much, but after that the pain was I don't know, probably about a 7 out of 10 for about 2 or 3 days after I got home. And then after that I was fine. I didn't have a lot of pain. Moving around was fine. Yeah, I've been able to walk and no problems at all. I just sometimes feel a little bit weak if I walk too much, especially it's very hot outside, especially in this area. Yeah, but other than that, it's been great.
And how's your energy level right now? What improvement you feel 10 days?
Yeah, so I feel like I have a bit more energy, but it's just if I move around too much, then I just feel a little bbit weak. Yeah, so that's been very positive. And then I don't know, my main benefit, I see my gums have changed color. Like I've had pale gums for I don't know how many years, and I've tried everything, iron supplements or whatever, to try and improve the color of my gums, but now they're nice and pink, and it's the first time I've seen them like that in many years. So that's the first huge positive improvement that I've seen so far. So yeah, I'm really happy about that.
And you've understood all the the diet and the supplement we talked about?
Yes, everything's been explained to me very clearly, and yeah, I understand what I need to do, and I can't just go off and start eating hamburgers or something. I have to be very careful with my diet, and I've been very supported along the way, and yeah, so I'm grateful for that. I would just say don't wait too long. Because I think a lot of people do this kind of as a last resort, but maybe it's not needed as a last resort. You don't have to go through 20 years of suffering, just to get to this point, like it can be a decision that you make a lot earlier, and, improve the quality of your life a lot earlier rather than just struggle for so many years. So thank you so much.